We all have that dream home we'd love to create, but George Strait made his a reality. The 65-year-old country singer is selling his custom-built mansion, and we're ready to buy. The incredible home sits on 12.2 acres of secluded land in Texas, which Strait bought in the 1990s. And the views from the finished product are truly breathtaking. The mansion was designed by world-renowned architect Bill Tull, who relocated to Texas for 2 years to build it. The asking price is unknown, but the mansion features 14 hand-carved fireplaces, stained glass windows, and an infinity pool and spa. The home really is fit for a king like George Strait.